Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will check how to learn new job skills and earn professional certificates. First of all, install the LinkedIn Learning app and tap on its icon to open it. When the app launches, you will be prompted to either sign in or join now. If you're a new user, you can select Join Now, but in this case, I'll click on Sign In. On the Sign In page, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Alternatively, if you have a library card for LinkedIn Learning, you can sign in using that as well. Within a moment, you will be redirected to the home page. And there you go. Here, you can see a wide library of courses across different topics. Just scroll down and explore all the courses according to your needs. At the top of the screen, you can use the search bar to find specific courses. You'll notice that trending topics are suggested here. For example, I will open a course on project management software. As you can see, all the courses listed on the screen focus on project management. Just select one that suits you. I suggest choosing the course with the highest rating and the most learners, as that indicates it's a highly effective course. Once you open the course, you'll see the video start playing, and at the bottom, you'll find details about the course. In the Overview tab, you can see exactly what you'll learn. If you go to the Content tab, you can see all the lesson details that you'll cover in the course. Just check all these details to determine whether the course is suitable for you. If you'd like to download the course, simply tap here and then tap Download to confirm. It will be saved to your library so you can access it while you are offline. After that, let's go back. At the top, you can apply filters to find a specific type of course, such as different skill levels or course durations. Now, from the bottom menu, if you tap on the Topics tab, it will open a new section where you can see different topics based on what's popular and frequently searched. You can explore them according to your needs. After that, there's a Daily tab where you can watch short videos on various topics uploaded daily by creators and instructors. Finally, there is a My Learning tab where you can view your profile, access your saved courses, and track the progress you make as you complete your courses. And that's it.